Hello, and welcome to the channel, Make Money Easy. I hope all are doing well. In this video I will share 10 things you didn't know about affiliate marketing. If you want to know more, watch the video till the end. Before start the video, I request you to subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell. So let's start our video. Most people have heard of affiliate marketing, even if they haven't actually started doing it. Affiliate marketing is basically referring people to various products and services around the internet. For each sale you generate through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. The size of the commission depends on the products themselves, who is selling them, and the percentage offered by the seller to the affiliate. But what is actually involved in affiliate marketing? What do affiliates do on a daily basis? How do they earn money and how do they learn what to do? An example of a successful website. There are several ways of marketing products and services online. Many affiliates create a blog first and sell products and services through their blog. Martin Lewis has a very successful website called MoneySavingExpert.com. This is also an affiliate website. By creating content and helping people decide which service to use, which credit card offers to choose, the best interest rate, etc., MoneySavingExpert.com makes money by sending website visitors to various offers. If a sale is made through this website, the link is credited to it and a commission is made. By creating content, offering value and helping people make sensible choices, the website has built a reputation and become more prevalent over time. Google ranks the site highly in the search engines and thousands of people use it to make purchasing decisions every day. 2. How can I get started as an affiliate? Affiliate marketing is huge. There are thousands of people already making their main source of income from the internet. To get started as an affiliate, you need to learn some basic strategies and build various methods of generating traffic from the internet to those offers. A lot of affiliates start with a simple blog. Many travelers blog about their travels. If you don't have a passion or interest to blog about, you can start by following an online course which will help. See my bio for more info on this. 3. How long does it take to make a living? Some people go into affiliate marketing with the intention of creating a second income. Some people want to make big money. Depending on how much time you can dedicate to your affiliate business, and how dedicated you are to it, is a big factor in determining your results. Results vary from person to person. With a large advertising budget and the right business model, some affiliates have replaced their living in 6 to 12 months. For others, it can take years before it replaces their existing income. Depending on your approach, advertising budget, and business model, it can take between 3 months and several years to build it to a point where it can replace an existing income. 4. Can anyone do it? One of the great things about affiliate marketing is that the technology is now available to allow anyone to build their own online business. As long as you are prepared to learn and implement that knowledge, anyone who can operate an email can use online platforms and tools to build their own online business. The main thing you need is the desire to learn. Affiliate marketing isn't for everyone though. It does take a lot of hard work and it can take years before you are rewarded financially. If you want to learn affiliate marketing, check the description for a 100% free A to Z affiliate course. Just sign up and start your course for free. Don't miss it. 5. What are the pitfalls of an affiliate business? You need to dedicate some time to your affiliate business for it to work for the long term. Some people go into affiliate marketing thinking it is some magic pill which will pay them instantly in cash. Much like a job, you can't expect to get out more than you put in. Affiliate marketing is performance related. This means you don't get paid unless you can successfully sell products and services online. If you don't know what you are doing, it can take years to do this. You can't be a dabbler and expect to earn the big money. The big earnings are created over years of hard work. Don't expect to achieve this with only a small amount of input. 6. What are the best things about affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing offers an incredible amount of flexibility and freedom. You can work an affiliate business from anywhere in the world providing you have a laptop and an internet connection. You can choose your own hours and build it up around existing work. Many people come into affiliate marketing because it offers this kind of flexibility. They can choose their priorities in life, spend more time with family, choose your working hours, travel and work abroad. No more commuting to work or working long hours for a boss you don't like. Affiliate marketing also offers incredible scalability. A business which is local is always limited to the people who can travel to that business. An online business can be global. Using digital products in conjunction with a global reach, you can scale using tools and software to reach thousands of people through digital technology. By using automation, much of the work involved with an online business can be pre-built. By building automation into the business model, you can focus your activities on reaching a larger audience through content creation and paid to advertise. 7. Why am I struggling with my affiliate business? A lot of people struggle with their affiliate businesses. This can be for a number of reasons. Firstly, building up an affiliate business takes time. You need to dedicate a lot of time to an affiliate business in the first place. Only when you reach a tipping point do you really start to see your progress. Many affiliates simply don't realize how much work is involved. They underestimate how much time they need to dedicate to their online business to make it work. Paid advertising can allow you to grow your affiliate business quickly. But it costs money and you need the right products too. You can't advertise small value items with paid advertising. You won't generate enough profit to cover your advertising costs. You need a range of products and an email list to advertise through. Content marketing takes much longer to work depending on your chosen area of business. If you find an untapped niche to market your blog in, you can make some fast progress. However, with a competitive niche, you will struggle to get noticed above all the other content which you will have to compete with. There are several reasons why you might struggle. The main one is a lack of knowledge. Get the right education first and your affiliate business will move much faster. 8. What's the best affiliate model to use? There are many different affiliate models, all offering something different to suit the individual. Some affiliates target search traffic and aim to get their content found on Google. Some create their own products and sell them directly to customers. However, having a range of products which you can sell over and over to existing customers is a great model for long-term success. Selling a single item online is limited. It means you can only make one commission from each sale. By choosing membership products to promote which also offer back-end sales and a built-in the sales team, you can benefit from monthly commissions and upsell commissions for the lifetime of any given customer. Selling membership products is definitely a game changer when it comes to affiliate marketing because you make an income from each customer, rather than a single commission. But a good model to choose is one in which you have a passion for and can keep doing for the long term. Choosing products which you have no interest in is a short-sighted plan. Think about what you would like to do online to generate an income. If you choose to go with your passion, your business will last much longer, and be more successful. 9. Can I just sell my own products? Many affiliates create their own products to sell online. However, when you are starting out, it is a good idea to learn the basics of marketing first. That way you can start earning more quickly from your affiliate business. I spent a long time creating my own products when I first discovered affiliate marketing. But I didn't sell anything because of a couple of reasons. Firstly, I didn't research whether my products would have a big enough demand. Secondly, I didn't know how to market them. By joining a program which teaches you how to market products first, you can start making money more quickly. Don't waste time creating products if you don't know how to sell them. Marketing is a much more important skill for making money online. Once you know this skill, you can then apply it later when marketing your own products and services. Also, your own products will be limited in range. By using an existing product range, you can benefit from products which are already selling. You can choose a program which offers high-ticket commission, monthly memberships, back-end sales and a built-in the sales team. Building your own products which offer all of these things not a possibility for most people when starting out. 10. What's the point of affiliate marketing? Some people struggle with the concept of affiliate marketing. They think it sounds too sales-y. When I understood affiliate marketing, I immediately found it appealing simply because I needed a flexible way to work around my contract work. I had to drop what I was doing at a moment's notice if the phone went. This meant other jobs were awkward to juggle around. No one wants to employ a flaky employee. I wanted to work from my laptop and affiliate marketing gave me that opportunity. For many people, this is the reason why they choose affiliate marketing. They can earn an income from their laptop, choose their working hours and not have a boss or place of employment. You don't have to sell directly to anyone or even talk to a customer. There is no stock to hold. Added to this, the scalability of affiliate marketing, which lets you scale up to a global audience and deliver products on autopilot, makes it the best flexible business of the future. I hope you like the video. If you have any suggestion, feel free to comment your valuable suggestions. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next videos with some money making ideas. Till then, be safe and happy.